Have you ever tried threader earrings? I absolutely love my threader earrings. I have a couple of new pieces from Jeulia to show you today, plus this beautiful hair. We're going to talk about it coming up. So I urge you all to go out and browse Jeulia.com. They have a huge variety of very, very unique pieces. They're an artisan jewelry group. They specialize in more of a smaller batch. You're going to find a lot of different unique items, and they kind of turn over pretty quickly, so be sure to bookmark the site so you can see everything that's coming up. They do run a lot of sales. If you decide to purchase from Jeulia.com, be sure to use my rep code, which is TERRAZ15 for 15% off of your order, and that also applies to sunglasses and some other items as well. So be sure to check out Jeulia.com. All of those links are below the video. Have any of you out there tried threader earrings? I absolutely love them. They're my favorite kind of earring to date. I like the threader earrings because it gives me a little bit of a dangle without adding a lot of weight. The weight is really balanced in your ear. You have no idea that you're wearing them. I like that a lot. Now what you're looking at here is what Jeulia sent me of their own collection of threader earrings, and you can find that all below, all the links. But this is your classic circle, modern style sterling silver threader earrings. Okay, if you can see the little circle there. Now this is in the rose gold toned sterling silver. And hopefully you can see, and I'll also put up a little picture here. So you can see the circle on one end and then just a little paddle on the other. See how lightweight they are and how they move and catch the light? They're weightless though. So I feel like if I had a stud with like a dangle and then a little bobble on the end, it just feels like it's weighted. And when I move around, I can sense it. These earrings just go from day to night instantly because it's a beautiful classic look that's easy to wear, but it goes seamlessly into evening, because evening wear, you know, parties, dress ups, black tie, you think of a nice dangle earring, right? So here you get the dangle without the weight. They're very modern looking as well. And what I love about the threader earrings too is that you can customize them so easily. So I'm going to remove this one here. The entire length of the earring from the paddle down to the circle here is about 5 inches, okay? So you can see one end, it looks like a little needle type thing. And they're so easy to install or apply. So you just push that little paddle through the earring and then you pull through to the desired length. So by doing that, you're adjustable, right? You're customizing the look. So if I want a longer dangle, I just leave more of the back. I just pull less of the back through the hole. That leaves a longer front, which makes my dangle fall in a little bit lower on me. I love that. So it's not going anywhere. There's just enough texture and tackiness to that chain that it's not sliding back and forth. So yeah, and if you want to display both ends, so it's beautiful, you can see both ends of that threader. And for updos, wow, so pretty. So again, these are in the rose gold toned solid 925 silver, okay? So it's a high grade sterling. Let's see, do we have them even here? And you could create an asymmetrical look as well. They don't have to be exactly even, right? Beautiful, beautiful earrings. Now these retail right around $89 on the site as of the date of this filming, plus you get an additional $15 off by using my discount code at Jeulia. Okay, so let's move on. The other piece that I have to show you is equally as beautiful, and it coordinates beautifully with these earrings. You all know that I am a huge fan of Jeulia's rings, and when I have an opportunity to present one, I love it. Now this one is really modern looking. This is my Jeulia ring also, but I'm going to turn that around to focus on the one I want to show you today. This is the Jeulia crossover sterling silver ring. It is a two-toned effect. So you have the silver, and then the bindings here are in a rose gold. Now you can also get the bindings in a yellow gold, okay? But I got it in the rose gold because I wear more rose gold than I do yellow gold. And I like to mix up my jewelry. So you'll find that a lot of my wedding sets and things are in the sterling silver, but then I wear some rose gold, such as these earrings, and this just ties it all together, the entire look. I really feel like a silver and a rose gold really mix and match well together. Now this ring is about $99 on the site as of today, and then you do have the 15% discount with my code. But I'm going to take this off and show you. I'm also going to put up a picture on the film here so that you can see it up close. The detail is really stunning. It's a very modern design. So you've got a solid base here, and this ring is very substantial. Let me just tell you a quick story. I went to Kohl's before the holidays, Kohl's department store, and they had an entire rack of sterling silver jewelry in their jewelry department. And I was looking through it, and I ended up buying a piece because they were on sale. And when I got it home, the sterling was just not the quality that I was used to with Jeulia. It was very bendable, like you could move it around, and it was thin, and it just didn't have the appeal. Yet the prices were almost the same as Jeulia. So for any of my sterling jewelry, I will always go back to Jeulia.com. This is their specialty metal that they like to use. Now they have a sister site, a store. It's called SheSaidYes.com, and they specialize in more of the precious metals. So you may want to check that one out as well. So I'm all Julia'd up on my fingers, which I absolutely love. But if you like earrings, seriously, I would urge you to try some of Julia's threader earrings. They have several different styles and different tones of sterling available. But they're so light, dainty, easy to wear, customizable. They look modern. So I'm going out to lunch right after this, and this is exactly what I'm wearing. I am so excited about these new Jeulia pieces. See you soon, right here on TAZSWIG Closet.